Today you're going to do exercise number 6. In this exercise, we're going to discriminate the PH digraph. That sounds like an F. In this exercise, you could see how the PH digraph makes the sound, which is just like the F sound. Notice how I put my teeth on my bottom lip and blow. That is the PH sound for the digraph. So we're going to begin with number 1. Again, like you've practiced before, I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to discriminate the sound looking for the PH digraph. So let's begin with number 1. Bench, bench, photo, photo. Which word has the PH digraph? Bench, photo. If you picked photo, you are correct. Photo has the PH digraph at the beginning of the word. Photo. Let's go on to number 2. Photographer, photographer, or watch, watch. Which word has the PH digraph? Circle your answer. If you picked photographer, you are correct. Photographer begins with the PH digraph. Photographer. Number 3. Couch, couch, pharmacy, pharmacy. Which word has the PH digraph? If you circled pharmacy, you are correct. Pharmacy begins with the PH digraph. Number 4. We have cheese, cheese, or phantom, phantom. Which picture has the PH digraph? If you picked phantom, you are correct. Phantom begins with the PH digraph. Phantom, phantom. Number 5. Torch, torch. Pharmacist, pharmacist. Which word has the PH digraph? If you chose pharmacist, you are correct. Pharmacist begins with the PH digraph. Pharmacist, pharmacist. Number 6. Church, church, or phobia, phobia. Which word has the PH digraph? If you picked phobia, you are correct. Phobia begins with the PH digraph. Phobia. Number 7. Physician, physician, or cheetah, cheetah. Which word has the PH digraph? If you picked physician, you are correct. Physician begins with the PH digraph. Physician, physician. Number 8. Child, child, photocopy, photocopy. Which word has the PH digraph? If you picked photocopy, you are correct. Photocopy begins with the PH digraph. Photocopy, photocopy. This is the end for exercise 6. Remember, you could always rewind the video and continue your practice for your pronunciation and your communication skills. So remember, you always have the video to listen to me pronouncing the words so you could practice your pronunciation as well. Okay? See you soon and good luck. Bye now.